Let's get right to it. Cabin air filter replacement, easy peasy. First, we're going to open up the glove box, toss the junk. Right here, there's going to be a short cord. While lifting up on the glove box, you're going to release the tension, slide the plastic mount towards the seat, and pop it out towards the passenger door. From there, you're going to go ahead and grab this, and you're just going to give it a little bit of force and just get those little tabs out. Here's a little better view of it. There we go. Just pop those out, and then that's going to drop down and pop right off. Set that aside. Now right up here, you're just going to have a tab. You're going to pull that on this side over here. There's going to be like a it's going to be like a hinge style kind of tab. There's a small tab on top. You just got to pull it down just a little bit. Right here, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So you just push it in the dash a little bit, and then it'll be able to pop out. You can see an example there, what it looks like. It's not too bad. Now, on this, you're going to use this plastic, and you can use the tab side. And you can just get it right onto the filter and pull it right out. Just like that. Makes it nice and easy. No tools required. You're going to pull the filter out, get your new one. Make sure that the orientation is correct. Once you have that, go ahead and just slide it right back in. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to show how to get that hinge style back on. So you're going to go into the dash a little bit. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here. You're going to go in the dash a little bit, make sure that it gets around the tab, and then you'll be able to feel it once it catches on. Just give it a little bit of a tug, and you'll see. Hold on one second. There we go. So now there's tension on it. I know that it's caught, and then you can just clip it right back into place. And that is it. It is literally that easy. These don't clip into place. They just rest on there. You can give it a little bit of force, push it back in, or you can do it the same way that we did earlier. Grab the cord, pull that back in, push the glove box up just a little bit, just so that it gets enough. Slide it back into place, let the glove box drop, and that is it. We are done. You just saved a bunch of money.